So this is Kyoto, former capital of Japan. So before Tokyo. So this used to be the capital of Japan. See the rush. This is very important place historically, culturally. So this is still maintaining traditional Japanese way of living, way of buildings, temples, castles. So this is very important when you visit Japan. So Kyoto is must. Kyoto, Osaka, Tokyo, these three cities we should must visit. So if people are enjoying this sakura flowers. So you can see people taking, even Japanese people taking photographs, videos. This is sakura. You can see blooming flowers everywhere. So this is the biggest blooming trees or flowers I am experiencing in Japan. So that's why people come to Japan during end of March or first week of April. So this is sakura or blooming flowers, and we can sit here and have our lunch. So there are restaurants, we can buy food, and we can spend some time here. So this is excellent place to take videos, to take photos, to so we have to sit here, and she will come, someone will come and take orders. So we can't sit without taking food. So see, they are in Japanese costumes. So we can also see foreign visitors like white people, Japanese people, Indians, so Indonesians, but we can't differentiate between Indonesians, Chinese, Koreans. I have met a lot of people from Korea because Seoul is only 1.5 hours from Osaka. This is very close, Seoul. There is a sea, otherwise they would have, put a train between Osaka and Seoul, but there is a sea in between, so they can't do that. So this is sakura. I will just upload this as a short in the YouTube so that people can enjoy these sakura blooming flowers. See how people are crazy about this. So they are just taking the videos.
Okay.
I'm not Japanese, but they're wearing this dress. I think they might have taken on rent. There is some more restaurants here. You can eat, sit and eat the food. Ramen, noodles, soba. So these are the different noodles, but I have never tried. Ramen noodles, soba noodles are very famous in Japan. Soba is like thick noodles. Ramen is like thin noodles. So there are several gardens in Kyoto where we can go and visit for this sakura blooming. See the Japanese traditional dresses, traditional outfit. So there are all sakuras everywhere. We get mad by seeing this. See the buildings. See the sakuras. People are enjoying their lunch in beautiful gardens, sakura gardens, under the sakura flowers, sakura trees. See, mostly Japanese. They have brought food from home because here it is expensive. That's what I found. So and they are eating, and they are sitting and eating here with their families. This is weekend, so that is the reason it is very rush. So we have to always avoid important places during the weekend, but so sometimes we can't escape because we can't sit or sleep in the hotel. Nice dress, nice outfit. See, they are foreigners, but they enjoy wearing these outfits. So Indian food, Indian people are eating Indian food in Sakura. India?
Yeah.
Indian.
No, Sri Lanka.
Oh, okay. I go one.
I will.
Yeah. You can record video at least 2-3 hours alone in this garden. So that much time we can spend here and we can record videos. So I can't go upstairs. It is tiring. I have to conserve my energy because I have to visit several places. So today, so yeah. The Sri Lankan couple, it's not Indian, I spoke to them. So they are middle part of Sri Lanka. So they are eating their lunch here, enjoying the lunch under the sakura, under these trees. You can see all Japanese style buildings. I mean to say old Japanese buildings. So modern buildings are like skyscrapers. Couple of American people, can recognize with their accent. So Chinese, Koreans, so all are here. Indonesians, so they all came for one purpose, to enjoy this beautiful sakura. So this is looking different. These flowers are bit red, bit pink in color. So most of the flowers are white in color, very light pink. So this is bit dark pink, you can see. So these are looking beautiful with dark pink. This is typical Japanese restaurant. We can find them all over the world. So with the script. So this is Kyoto Unagi Suzen. I think it is the name of the restaurant. So there are several hundred varieties in Japanese food, but we only know sushi or noodles or ramen noodles or sobo. But there are several hundred, thousands of varieties. I think mostly non-veg. Maybe vegetarian are there, but I don't know. I have never tried. See the trees, panoramic views, gardens. Few Indian visitors. Looks like Buddhist temple. We can see a sleeping Buddha inside. Now I have visited Maruyama Park. Now I want to go to Kodaiiji temple, which is just 3 minutes from walking from here. You can clearly see the. So this is Kyoto. You can see the houses, hotels. See how beautiful these buildings. It looks like it might be hotel. Karaku. It's very neat. We can't even find a desk anywhere. I just saw one housefly, on the food today, on the oysters here. Just one housefly in last 7 days, and no mosquitoes. See how you can expect. And this is not a cold country. This is mix, and now is like cold season, so summer also there. So we can't find any houseflies or any open drainage or even any rubbish. So that much hygiene they maintain. So we can drink tap water, not a problem. But it's always better to drink bottled water, mineral water, because when we come outside, so we should be fit. And if we get sick, so all our travels will be spoiled. So that is the only precaution we have to take. Otherwise, you can drink tap water, not a problem. Here. This is Kyoto style beef restaurant. So looks excellent inside. So people are queuing there. Inside is very neat. Hygiene is 100% maintained. See the meters there outside. So anyone can come and check. So there is a, I think, Britain flag. So they think this is a hotel or so. Pastries and scone. They are selling British regular scone, Irish scone, takeaway, scones and pastries. So she is selling from some scones, so British scones, and see the hygiene, no dust, nothing. So everything is perfect. Just I have entered a lady shop. The shop maintained by lady. So she is selling British scones. So she said she very much likes London, so that's why she has put all the names and a tube map logo, London tube map logo on the scones. We can't understand anything. It is 100% Japanese. See, we can't even understand. I don't know what is Samboa. So this looks like entrance to a house, or maybe let me go and check, or row of houses. Yeah, this looks like a proper Japanese neighborhood. But see, all doors are closed, so no one is coming out or open the door and seeing from inside. It is a bit cold here though, so this is just start of spring season, so it is a bit cold. But looks like their culture is like this. See the balloons, these lights, I don't know what they are called. So they are everywhere. Oh, is a paper. So they are everywhere. Thank God there are no dogs. See, I can't find any dog. Even on the streets, even people, they don't like, looks like they don't like dogs. Maybe. So this is a shrine, small shrine. So this is Kyoto for you. There is a restaurant here. See the menu. They are very expensive, but mostly non-vegetarian. So it is a full course is 5,500 yen. Osaka course is 8,800 yen. So divided by 2, almost like, or 0.7 is Indian rupees. I don't know why they have put that lady picture in front of every house or every hotel. I don't know the reason. Need to ask someone. So it says Row Show in English. I'm still in this Japanese street. Went to an Italian restaurant just to check, and one Californian guy came with me, and the restaurant people said it is fully booked for entire day. So you can understand the rush here. So it is, I think it's peak season in Kyoto because of Sakura. See the rush in front of a restaurant because it's lunchtime. So we have to take a token and stand in the queue. So this traffic guy is controlling both people and cars. So the people are more here. You can see Japanese restaurants they go by set. So this is in Japanese. I will show you English menu. So this is the menu. So you can see vegetarian set. I will try to explain. One tofu steak, vegetable tempura, Japanese pickles, salad. Price it is 2,880 yen. That means almost like 1,600 rupees. You can see yakitori set, udon tempura set, Kyoto home style dish, grilled duck meat. So this is a small restaurant. You can see how beautiful it is. People are waiting. So they also serve drinks and cool drinks. So and some wine and see. They are eating. People are eating. See the ambience inside. This is a typical Japanese restaurant, like home style. There's one more street here. So with full of, I think, restaurants, houses. So Japanese restaurant called Yagan Bori. So a lot of people from other parts of Japan visit Kyoto. So there's a lot of demand. That's why I couldn't find any hotel cheaper than like $700 per night. So for one person. So this is too much expensive. So you can see one more restaurant here. It's open, but please line up to the left. So clearly my reservation only now. So I'm just walking on the main street. So with so many people coming in opposite direction. So it is lunchtime. I'm also looking for an Indian restaurant. I want to visit one temple, like 10 minutes from here, and then come back here and take lunch and go to Nara. So it is not decided. So it depends. I will see. You see the shop is a cave, typical Japanese cave, not shop. Everything is in Japanese. See the ambience, see the neatness. Nothing in English. Very few words or names. Everything is in English. See the beauty of the like architecture, design. So first thing, when we come to Japan, we have to come to Kyoto, stay here for 2 nights, go to Osaka, stay there for 2 nights, and then go to Tokyo, stay there for 5-6 nights. So then before going to Tokyo, you can understand Japanese people, Japanese culture. So yep. See, this is chopstick shop. So you can see all chopsticks. So 1,100 yen is the price for chopsticks. 1,400, 1,900, 1,300. So these are all chopsticks. I never use chopsticks and I can't use chopsticks. So this is only decorative purpose. See, 8,000 yen, 7,500 yen, 6,000 yen. So there are different chopsticks, you see. ISO chopsticks, polygon chopsticks, elaborate engraved chopsticks, slender, thick type. So there are different types.
Serious?
This shop is on the main street of Gion, Gion, Gion in Kyoto. So this is exclusive shop for chopsticks. Even the name can be engraved in the chopsticks. So for free. The cashier, she is engraving name on the chopsticks. So this is Kyoto, former capital of Japan. So before Tokyo. This is going to Gina Fuji temple. So there are several temples here, shrines, so several gardens. So it will take at least 2-3 days. So only in Kyoto. So but we can't spend 3 days in Kyoto because we have to cover entire country in a week or 10 days. See how people are waiting at the signal. So they never cross if there is no green pedestrian signal. So even there are no vehicles, they wait until it turns into green. So we never know. So with left, right, so cars might come in any direction. So that's why they don't take risk. So see how the people are waiting here to cross the signal. I am also waiting with them. So to cross the signal, go that side and find an Indian restaurant to eat my lunch. This is pedestrian only from 1 to 5 pedestrian only street in Kyoto. So there are no vehicles. Vehicles are not allowed inside. So that's a good thing. So I am looking for an Indian restaurant. One person told me that it is this way 5 minutes. So I already started walking for 3-4 minutes. So she's from Iran. She's working here, living here. She was telling me to try local food. I said no, I can't do that. So, and she also told me to visit the Gyan temple. So it is a beautiful complex, and she works there. She is an English translator there. So luckily I asked her. She told me to visit that complex. I met her when I was eating donut. So this is one more restaurant, Japanese style. See, people are waiting. So Japanese, for all Japanese restaurants, there is a big queue. See how they are preparing noodles. So hygiene is 100% maintained. So we don't need to bother about it. So this is Caesarea restaurant here. I don't know which restaurant it is. I mean which dish it is. Looks like a hotel, BAL, bar, I don't know. This is a cat cave for cats. So I think we have to buy food for them. See, they are enjoying. They have beds. I never seen a cat cafe like this. Maldivian people might be interested. See their water bottle. So can they drink water? So it's a different cats. So they are in a hostel-like environment. So in different capsules. I think air condition is there. So you can see. I think we can also buy. This is for 4,600 yen. So the temperature is maintained, and you can see the temperature inside. So these are some cats. So this is expensive, 89,850 yen. So this is also 89,400. Oh, this is most expensive, 142,350 yen. Don't know why. See how the cat is drinking water from that bottle. They know that they have to drink water from that bottle. This is another shopping street, shopping arcade in Kyoto. So you can see several shops, restaurants. I'm going to an Indian restaurant. You can see it is 108 to 100 meters from here. Kyoto. Hilton Hotel, Kyoto. Looks like I have to take left at Aneyakoji Dori. I think Dori means street. So now I got it. So I have to, from there it is 700 meters. That's what my Google says. So you can see there is one more restaurant. People are eating. See the hygiene. So this is also Japanese. It's a quiet street. Every street is quiet unless it is a busy road. This looks nice under the arcade. So this is a painting shop. Painting or bags, baraka, African style shops, African style dresses, paintings. So this is one more shop for table lamps. So greeting cards. Now I can understand why foreigners are coming here, Americans and Europeans, because it is very neat and clean, and people are very good, very friendly. They give respect. They are very polite. At least they behave polite when they are in trains. No one talks on mobile phones. So they will get always announcements in bullet trains to put our mobile phones on mute. So that is excellent thing. So this is one more Japanese cafe. There's one shrine here and also houses inside the big shrine. So there are several gardens, several temple shrines here. So it is not possible to visit all of them. So like I came to main area, main city, so main road. So now I have to again check the Google for directions to Indian restaurant. Another 240 meters to Indian restaurant, spice bar and kitchen. Let me see whether it is really Indian or not. I am already feeling hungry. So if it is not Indian, I have to walk another 2 kilometers at least to eat something. So I came deep into the neighborhood. So walking for almost 30 minutes. But I am enjoying Kyoto. Kyoto streets, Kyoto neighborhoods, Kyoto shops, restaurants. So typical Japanese style. See, there are no pedestrian crossings. Should be very careful and walk cross. No signals. See, old lady sweeping now. So they always want to keep the premises clean. It's almost like 2 p.m. She is still cleaning. She might be living upstairs, I don't know. Or garage for car. So she is smiling. So this is, we can buy parking tickets. We can park cars here, and so see, I think this is the parking for residents. So finally I found this Indian restaurant. This is Nepali after walking for almost like 30 minutes. So this is the menu. So same menu we get, lunch set. So this restaurant name is Shubha Bihan. See, Shubha Bihan, and a dinner, spice cave and bar. So this Lord Ganesha greeted me at the entrance. So you can also see all Lord Ganesha, Nataraj, and Japanese people, English people, they are eating lunch here. Krishna, so they are eating lunch here. So this is very nice. See the kitchen, see the bar area, see the till. This is just -1 floor. It is not on the ground floor. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.